obagi giko derani e alap Mambaraki Sports Club County ma Mombasa. Sirma kama endi biro manandalo matin mokalo bang kambi moro mar goyo punda siro tuke Magdala Sevens mane obagi odira mokalo e county ma Kisumu.
What Tusker will do at the event, of course, aside of supporting the tournament and sponsoring that tournament, is that we are going to also to have exciting activities, because we understand rugby fans always want to have fun, go out there and enjoy. So it really will be around how do we ensure that after the games we create a very good after party experience that people can come out and enjoy themselves for that after party.
In terms of development, the preparations are going on well. As I speak, the other team is in Mombasa for the Reke. We have confirmed 16 teams for the Division 1 and 24 teams for the Division 2. I think our projections are we hope to have about 4,500 people in attendance. So the preparations are going on well.
Bang' wuoyo rekod ng'wech mar mita